Well, here I am, Beaver Tail Lighthouse. And the thunderclaps. I know you're right, I haven't been here in a long time, since 2/23/22. Today's date is 12/19/23. First time I'm using my new camcorder here, the one I videotaped the incredible T-storms we had earlier this year. Somebody's with me. I'll watch where I'm going though. I'll just stay here. We had a pretty damn good T-storm season in 2023. My July 4th T-storm was a real stellar winner. My new camcorder, which I'm using right now. The thunderclaps are really awesome. Those of you who were nice enough to see my video know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I like that. Remember that. Wow. Somebody else is taking pictures here. Birdie. And we meet again. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta. Oh yes. This camcorder here, I ordered it online. It's really good for videotaping lightning storms. We had a doozy back on July 4th, and the thunder from it sounded out of this world.
The camera, what kind is it?
It's my Sprandom. Sprandom.
What is it?
It's Sprandom.
How do you say that?
It's spelled S-P-R-A-D-O-M. That's the brand of it.
Sprandom?
Yeah, Sprandom.
Sprandom.
Yep. I ordered it online on Amazon, and
How much?
$200.
Oh yeah. What's it look like? Oh, I could stand on this side, right?
Oh yeah, this is what it looks.
Yeah, it's easy to hold.
Oh yeah. I had another camcorder much smaller than this. Yeah.
So it's got low light features maybe at night?
Oh yeah, well it's good one what I need it for.
Yeah.
It's excellent for videotaping lightning storms. I'm addicted to that.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, I had a big one on July 4th of this year. I put it on YouTube and people loved it. The thunderclaps, it just sounded impressive even on the computer.
Going out 3-4 nights ago, about 4 in the morning, I went in the woods and got a beaver out there with 3 huts, and I know the whole area, so I know it's illegal, but you gotta learn, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm out there, and all of a sudden, I go, what? Shooting sound, you know, common, a small rock coming in, you know, and so, you know, you see one, right?
Yep.
So 4 to 5 came home, I told my friend, and she goes, yeah, there was a meteor shower, and I was out in the middle of nowhere, and you could see much more of the horizon.
Oh yeah. Oh, I heard him. Oh, I'd be surprised what's out there. Where are you from anyway?
I'm in Franklin, Mass now.
Oh, okay.
About an hour away.
Oh, you drove all the way down here, huh?
Oh, yeah, anyway, yeah, ocean. I swim over there sometimes illegally.
Oh, yes. I live
the jacuzzi on that side.
Oh, yeah.
I was out there with the family one summer at night in August. God, you couldn't buy that day.
Yeah.
It was like Disneyland with 10 people in a family. All of us not supposed to be swimming. No problem.
I live in Saunderstown. I only live 50.
Oh, yeah. Right around the corner. I got the Nerricks. No, wait a minute. The Gannons. I don't know if you know the Gannons. They're from Saugus.
Oh.
There's a lot of people out there.
The name rings a bell, but I can't put it in my
What an
mind.
area.
Oh, yeah.
What an area.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, the what is it, one? The shopping area up the main roads up there. Holy crap, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you could have everything. Yeah, it's just nuts. It's pretty cool.
Oh, yes.
Oh, the Hilltop Steakhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what a shame. When you were a kid, you go there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Probably as many years as I've been there. Till it closed, probably. Yeah, I always hit the hill. When I was a kid, my father used to bring me. I'm going to let you steady your camera and get the sunrise. Okay?
That's all right.
Just make sure you don't screw it up.
First time I was here was on September 20th, 2017. And I was here on October 30th, 2017. The waves were really big then. It's all on YouTube. All the videos I make here, I put it on YouTube so people can see it.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah. Along with the lightning storm I was telling you about.
Yeah.
See, people are addicted to drugs and alcohol. I'm addicted to videotaping lightning storms.
Yeah. Yes, I have to move to stay out of pain. So it's actual physical therapy during the day. Just don't kill yourself.
Yeah.
Keep moving and I'll stay out of pain. So
Yeah.
I'm pain for 29 years. So boy, do I like watching YouTube videos too.
Oh, yeah, I wish I could give you my screen name. You can. Mine is Loves T-Storm Tapes.
We were at the beach one day on Nantasket. It was like a weekend.
Yep.
And there's drones flying overhead. So I got the binoculars like these, right?
What flew overhead?
A drone.
Oh, drone.
And it was like a big day, like Saturday or Sunday.
Oh, yeah, drones, yes.
So everybody gets a little like, what the fuck, what is that doing, right? Because it's summertime.
Oh, yeah.
So I get the binoculars out and I follow it back. The guy flying it, him and his wife and their kid is this small, are in the ocean. And he's taking a shot of themselves in the ocean from the drone. And I go, hey, that's what it is. And they're like, no way. It's a whole different way of getting a picture of you and your kids in the ocean. I watched it. So you can't assume anything. There's so many variables in an answer.
Yeah, you're right.
What's someone doing? Well, it's a long story.
Yes.
That makes perfect sense.
Anyway, I just love the waves here.
Okay. Hey, I got the best ocean joke ever. Why do mermaids wear seashells?
Oh, yeah, mermaids. Oh, yeah.
She told me so. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You want me to tell you?
Well, it's up to you. Although you're being on.
Oh, yeah.
Although you're on camera too, along with the waves.
No, it's okay. Turns out people that the B shells weren't attracted to men and women quick enough, and the D shells create too much water drag for rescue. Like I said, she told me. Don't blame it on me.
Yeah, I agree. Well, I'm 66 years young, and all my girlfriends are still on paper, so I'm safe.
Yeah, I'm 10 years behind you. Tom Brady's 10 behind us. Me, 20 behind you.
Oh, Tom Brady?
Yeah, I heard he was
I know his birthday was
46 and I'm 56, so I just remember. I don't know what month.
Yeah, Tom Brady was born August 2nd, 1977.
Yeah, 10 years after me. And then you must have been like what?
I was born 57.
I was born 67.
Well, what day? I'll tell you what day of the week you were born.
He was born 77.
Yeah. What about you? What day is your birthday?
I'm on video, right? I can't do it. Too much for the World Wide Web.
Oh well.
It is. God only knows.
Yeah, I know what I did in 1967. Yeah, that was a good year for me after February. That was a great summer. The summer of flower power.
Oh yeah. I saw Bob Dylan at 83 last month. Oh, it was horrible. I think I could have put on a better gig with the guys.
Yeah, Bob Dylan. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he didn't say a damn word to the crowd. No phones allowed. Cell phones, nothing.
Yeah. Bob Dylan, born May 24th, 1941. I have a good T-Storm buddy who was born May 24, 1966, exactly 25 years to the day. And he videotaped some horrendous lightning storms in Florida, and I got the videos today. And he's on YouTube also. I'm good with dates, so.
Yes, I've seen that before with others on TV.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I got some really nice shots this morning.
Where the heck is the sun? What is it?
It's over there, except the clouds are in the way.
Okay.
It comes up at 7:09.
Oh yeah, 8 minutes for a month. Yeah.
Is this your first time here?
No, I'm a lot.
Okay. I haven't been here since February 23rd, 2022.
Yeah, I was here at that point.
Oh wow, check this out. Oh, I love this.
Look at the dirt, the sand.
Enough to drown the mermaid too. How you were talking. That was a funny joke I said. I'm only 66 and all my girlfriends are still on paper.
Hey, you know what? The lifeguard was yelling at the hippie.
What?
Hey man, you're too far out for me.
That's funny. Oh wow, this is awesome. Well, I'm going to videotape from the other beach too in a few moments. I got some real doozy waves over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go stretch the legs, stretch the back.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go stretch out
Okay, well,
my buttocks, stretch my ass.
well, the girls I draw have nice ones.
What?
The girls I draw have really nice ones. Well, nice talking to you.
Hey, say man, take care now.
You too, and maybe you'll see my videos.
Have fun.
Yeah, same to you. See, I didn't zoom in. That guy down there has nothing bad on him. He was born in 1967, huh? Tell me when he was born, I can tell him what was number one on the pop charts. Tom Brady was born 8277. 3 days after he was born, I audio taped a big T-Storm, 8577. When Tom Brady was 3 days old. Okay, I'm going to take a little walkie here. Not too fast now. Hope it's picking up the sound of the waves like the thunder. Wow. Love the sound of the waves, man. Jeez. Just like claps of thunder. I like that one. There was a clap of thunder in that one. Well, I don't think the waves are too disappointing this morning. Okay, we're gonna stop now. Or shortly. Take a look at the sky. Really nice. You know, there are other people here, so I have to exercise caution. Damn, those waves are nice. Remember December 1st, 2020, almost got swallowed up by the waves. Perhaps you saw the video just over 3 years ago. Oh wow, that was, look at this. Wow, awesome. I miss being here. Talked about my July 4th T-storm. Boy, that was a doozy. Noisiest one since 7/28/15. Yeah, that one really scored points too, but the one this year really scored points. In fact, 2 people saw that. I didn't think I'd get viewers or comments from them. I'm talking about Tony Florentino, who gave me my last camcorder, which is nice, and also Jason Sellen. They both saw my 7/4/23 video and commented. I was quite impressed. Also had a nice one on 7/27/23, very close by lightning strike. Fire engines were called because of it. No fire though. My good friend Robin Curry, who audio taped me tons of thunder in Charleston, South Carolina, he turned 70 that same day. I know somebody turned 70 today. Met her at the Plainfield Farm. Well, you ought to like this VTL video, my friends. Guess that guy's having fun videoing too down there. Maybe he's got a YouTube channel, I hope. I don't know what it is though. Alright, I think we'll stop here and go to the next one.